In this video, I want to show you another great feature of the email and text marketing funnels built into hhimagehost. And specifically, I want to show you why would I want to send a broadcast after the event has expired. So stick around and I'll show you just exactly why. Okay, so here we are in our marketing. This is our prepaid buyer campaign. And you can see here in this very last message I have set to go 6 days after the event has expired. And why would I even want to do something like that? What I am doing here is I'm communicating your order is at the lab, and here is a rough idea of when you should expect it. But let's go take a look to see what we're talking about. So again, I've got this set to go the afternoon on 6 days after this event has expired. If you get an email, it's going to say you're going to love these Sumner Academy sports fall portraits. You can see here, you can see I'm going to say you're going to love these. And we're talking about the folks at the lab and how they're working around the clock to handcraft your order to the studio's highest standards. And just kind of really talking up how important this is to us and how it should be important to them too, right? But also, you're going to see down here, there's this option to click. It says, click here to order today if you want to share this moment with friends and family. Click on this add to order. Well, by clicking on this, you can see it's actually going to take us back to that prepay event. And again, you're going, Sean, the event's expired. Why would I want to do this? Well, hang with me for a second here. We are engaging folks that are saying, hey, I want to spend more money with you, right? I want to add to my order. I want to share this picture. I want to add a couple more 5x7s on and send those to grandma and grandpa because I forgot to do that. So instead of having to, call you or call the school, we're showing them exactly here on how to get to that. And the great thing about this is we're using this in conjunction with another feature called event forwarding. So what is event forwarding? So if I was the parent that got this email and I were to click on this event and I go to this event after it's expired, then it's going to say this event is expired. Please contact the studio. Well, great. I want you to call me when you want to spend money with me. That's fantastic. But is there a way we can just get them to the right second sale event in the process? And with event forwarding, we can. Now, how do we use event forwarding? So I'm going to go over here to my events and I'm going to go into my Sumner Spring Sports Prepay event. And so you can see here that what we're looking at is this forward URL to event line. Right now it says no. So what's going to happen is if someone goes to this URL, whether it's from this email or a past email or a flyer or an email from the school or the coach, anything like that, it's going to take them to this event and they're not going to be able to go anywhere. It's going to say contact the studio. But instead, if we change this right here, when they go to that URL, instead of being at a dead end, we're going to redirect them automatically to that second sale event. And this is how we set that up. So whether you're doing it when you create the event or you're doing it whenever this event is about to expire, you're going to come down to edit the event. Then from there, we're going to the prepay V2 event posting and sales details section. In that section, we want to check this box where it says after event expiration, forward this event URL to another event. So check that box. And then we've got a series of drop downs here. So we're not having to find an auto post code. We're just having to find what's the name of the event we're looking for. So we've got a couple of filter drop downs to make that easier for you. So event type, we want to choose second sale. And so we're listing all the events on the second sale. And so down here under my event list, I'm going to choose Sumner Academy Fall Sports Last Chance Sale. And then whenever I go in and I save that, now when this event expires, and by the way, this one's set to expire on August 31st. So on September 1st, if someone goes to this page, it's going to redirect them to that second sale site. Picture this, it's September 5th. And you've already sent the order off to the lab. You're already working on your next job. Someone who had a fantastic experience with you. Their children smiled, they loved their expression. Um, they're going to love their portraits. They've decided, I had such a great time and I value what you guys did for us so much that I'd like to add to that order. So they can get this email or text message, and it will take them, your happy buyer, to a place where they can go in and buy more. And it's all done automatically through the combination of scheduling timely emails and text messages with this event forwarding feature. So you can see how we're taking this breadcrumb trail and we're leading them down that happy path that we always like to talk about. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, check out my next video where I talk about how to edit the content for each of those broadcasts to make sure it's exactly what you want to say.